Good morning, friends. The magic within you is growing stronger and you must use it wisely. You will be taken care of in difficult times. You are gaining strength and grace through kindness, confidence, and forgiveness. A situation has ended in your life and you are finally free. New opportunities for happiness will now follow. Put the past behind you. Release yourself from that which holds you back. They say you have unnecessary worry based on lack of self confidence. You are going to get material needs for fulfilling your life in magical ways. The sun card is here to say there's brightness coming into your life, and you are going to get money improvements and more coming your way. You are being divinely guided and taken care of by your angels and spirit guides. They are near you. They want you to get excited for the future, be self confident and positive as you move forward. Keep your arms, your heart, and your mind open to the divine. There is money coming your way, a lot of money coming your way, and brightness and hope and love and loyalty in your relationships. You must listen to your own light, your own inner light, and do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. It's time to make a decision. Be clear on what you want. There is something better waiting for you. Do what you know is right for you. There is success that comes from objective compromise, self control, and patience, and a forgiving and healing energy. Believe in yourself, listen to your own heart, and do what gives you joy. Something is coming your way fast, and that's because you've gained this confidence within yourself. They say it's going to bring you contentment in everyone and everything, including your finances. And yes, once again, they're asking you to keep your arms, your heart, and your mind open to it. Your divine wishes are going to be heard. Well, they are heard, and divine is helping them manifest in your life. Whatever you are praying for is going to come about. You are getting stronger within yourself after a lot of deliberating and delays in your life. And your spirit guides say they've got your back and they can see that you can see the situations clearly now. Have a lovely day, everybody. It's a full moon, so be truthful and deep within your own truth. Love you all. Bye for now.